Alright, I am back. I got some chicken here, so you might hear me eating, but that's good. But yeah, so what are we doing now? I want to do a little discovery menu. So in our canvas, let's create a new panel. Um, New panel, and we're going to call it let's see. Creature discover. Let's call it the all creature panel. So we're going to have two different panels. One that will show when you unlock a new one. Okay. And one that will show, we're going to get a panel for this. Alright, how do we want this to look? We could do like a top panel and a bottom panel. So we're going to say top panel, which might have like the words. And we'll say to the top. And this might not have a picture at all. Alright, then we're going to create another panel called bottom panel. Okay, trying to think of the easiest way to do this. Let's see. Bottom panel. And we want to do to the top. We might do this a little bit down. And the reason why I'm separating this, I'm going to do a group canvas group or grid layout. Okay. And we'll just make this alpha because we don't need to see it. Alright, so we got that. Now let's go to UI, another panel. And this is going to be we'll call it discovered creature. Okay. And then underneath it, we're going to create an image, UI image. And we'll say, we'll just leave it as image. And let's just kind of do like that. And then move it like so. We'll have to fix all this, but basically there's going to be like a panel here. Let me go to this grid padding. 3, 3, 3, 3. Let's see how that looks. We'll have to adjust all these later. Cell size is probably going to be 48 by 48 maybe. Okay, why is this? It's 3 and 3. What the heck? Whoops, that's the bottom panel. This one right here. Why is that not? What the world? No idea why. This is. Why is it doing it like that? Oh, the image. That's why. Stupid thing. Okay. Dumb thing. Alright, so we got that. That'll be the image. So the image could either be this or it could be like a question mark, which we don't have. Let's write a script for this. So, script, discover panel. Whatever. So, public sprite sprite public game object, and we're going to call this, and we could actually do like sprite renderer. And we're going to say sprite renderer. Alright, so what we're going to do is be able to set, we don't need any of that, be able to set the picture based upon which one, when we auto create these. Okay. So let's see. And we can actually have a public bool is discovered. All right, so where do we want to do this? I want to create these automatically. That's what I want to do. So we're going to have a public show discovered creatures. Okay. Void. What we need to do is when we first create our game, we're going to create all these panels. So I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. So let's do a public void set up discover panels. So exactly how do we do that? We can hard code it, that's for sure. Let's do a public list of sprites. It's equal to sprites. Actually, we want to say creature sprites. Okay. And then we need a public game object discovered panel. And then we want a public, hold on. Oh, we need a public game object dot prefab dot creature discover creature panel. Okay, so then down here we're going to do we want to set this up. So we can hard code this. We can say red, blue, purple. So we're going to say game object dot temp geo is equal to instantiate. And we're going to instantiate the discover creature. Wait. Creature. Darn it. Prefab. What did I name it? Oh, see, I should have said prefab. Discover creature prefab. That is long, but then we're going to say, yeah, we just do that. So now we say temp go dot transform dot parent is equal to the discover panel dot transform. All right. Then we want to say that temp go dot we want to say discover panel, discovery panel is that. So we're going to get that from that transform. Then we're going to say panel, yeah, sure, panel dot let's call it the D panel. D panel dot sprite is equal to creature sprites, and I want that to be plural, 0. And then we're going to say D panel dot sprite renderer dot sprite is equal to, oh, I probably didn't even need this. Well, we kind of do, because if we haven't discovered it, then we won't show it. All right, let's just test this out for now. So up here on start, set up discover panels. Okay. Go to our prefabs. Let's take our discover panel, put it here, and we want to add the discover panel to it. The sprite is going to be, sprite render is this. What the heck? Why can't I get a sprite render? Alright, I guess we gotta call it image. Which means we need to using unity.ui.engine.ui. And so instead of a sprite, we're going to say image. No. We're still going to say sprite. We'll say image. So then back in our UI manager, I guess it doesn't matter. Okay, let's go back here. Let's see if we can drop that in now. Alright, so drop this here. This should give us an error. Yep, because we haven't assigned that. So go to our UI manager And go our projects, our prefab, which is this. There, and then our panel is this. And then our creature sprite. Let's add this one. Okay. Let's delete this one and see what happens. Very weird. For one thing, I'm zoomed in. Why, oh why is this grid thing ain't working? Just see something really quick. Okay. Why are you not working? Okay, it could be that this panel is actually larger than it should be. So, it still doesn't make complete sense. Sometimes doing this UI stuff is not cool. Alright, so that's that. Why is the image not right? Is that what it looks like? I don't think so. Oh, you just can't see it because of that gray. Okay, so we need to, here's the problem. I don't have I actually don't have the red color, which I don't want to guess. Alright. I am not sure. How I want to do this. I can do this dot color is equal to color dot red, and then that will make it red. If I do this, this will make it blue. And then if I do, I can get rid of these. And then I do this. This can be purple. Let me see something. If we're going to here, is there a way for me to copy this? Can I do the hexadecimal? New color. New color. Dot. Hex. Get hash hex. New color. Represents. We can do a new. So there's one where it doesn't take an argument at all. We can't do like. Nope. Color. Wait, can I just do color dot hex? What's this? Nope. Darn it. Color. Let's just say new color. And let's get the RB colors. Connect. This is going to be tedious. Oh shoot, I lost it. Undo, undo, undo. Undo that. And then 91. This is actually going to be the red. Alright, pretty tedious. Let's go back to, let's say the blue. And actually the blue color's terrible, I think. It needs to be more like that. $110, 107. $110, 107. And the last one is, now if I ever change this, that's the problem. If I ever change this, then, you know, it's going to be not good. 224. 224. And this just takes a while. But the last one is purple. $212, 103. 212, 103. And 197. Let's save it and see how this looks. Okay, why didn't it change the color? Let's see. Let's go to our this. Well, maybe I'm T-panel. We don't do sprite color. Nope. Come on! Why aren't you changing the colors? Maybe I have to have this Unity engine dot UI. Maybe that's why. No, that didn't work either. Play it for a sec. Go back. Let me click on this one. Go down. Click on the image. Wait, there's the color right there. What the heck? Doesn't make any sense. Look. Kidding me, stupid Unity. Look, it has the color, but for some reason it's not showing it. Do I have to like update this image? Let me see if there's something else I can do. Sprite render dot update. Graphic complete update. I don't know. Nope. Dot. All right, let's just go through all these. Golly, this is taking way too long. let's do this. Let's see what happens if I turn this off first. Play it, then turn it on. Nope. This is not updating. Okay, do I have an error somewhere and that's why? No. Okay, I just might need a separate sprites with the colors. With each color because I can't seem to change this color. If I turn it off, turn it back on, all of them. Now if I click on it, now if I click on this, the color's here. Okay, this is frustrating. That means I need to get an image of each one with all the different colors, because I can't change the color. For some reason, it won't. The only other thing I could do is oh gosh. Okay, you know what? This is dumb. I don't got time for this. So let me see this. You know what? We're just going to add them all here. We'll just do it all manually. Forget it. This is taking too long. Let me unpack completely. Let me click here and change this to this one. And change the color to that red, which eyedropper. Get this. Alright, that's what we're going to do instead. Control C, Control V. Let's do the 3 for now. Image, blue, and this one, purple. Alright, and then in here, let's get rid of this crap. Get rid of this. Alright. Yeah, not cool, but oh well, what can you do? Alright, in our top panel, let's add a UI. We're going to say discovered text and change this text to discovered creatures. And let's change that to 24. Let's make this a little bit wider. Actually, let's make it as wide as we can. Is this panel right? Okay, there. Alright. Doesn't really matter right now because this is all going to change when we get some graphics. Get some UI graphics. Okay. So this is it. It'll show them all. Oh my gosh, you know how long that took? Too long. Too stinking long. Just for this panel. Alright, so now we gotta show this panel and hide this panel. So let's just, in our bottom panel, so I need probably an icon for for this. Let's Control C, Control V. We'll change this to Discover button. And in the here, we'll just say Discover for now. And then in here, we're going to say Discover panel dot set active not discovered panel dot active in there. And then up here, we can get rid of this. We can get rid of this because we're not using them anymore. And then in my UI manager, let's add that. Ugh. I actually call it the all creature panel. Whatever. This. And then this will change for the clicking. UI click show. Okay. Let's turn it off for now and see what happens. Okay. Click. All right. Click. So now we want to do this. When we show this, let's get a list of all these. Public list of game objects. Discover creatures panels. Yeah, which equals a new one. We're going to drag them anyways, which equals a new list of game objects. So then we're going to loop through all of them for, actually let's just say for each. For each game object temp geo in the discover creatures panel, we're going to say discover panel is equal to temp geo dot get component discover panel. All right, now we're going to say if discover panel is equal to dot is discovered, we're going to say temp discover panel dot sprite renderer dot get rid of this. We're going to call this game object sprite, and then go to back to this. So we're going to say dot sprite dot set active to true. Else we'll make it false. Okay, so let's go here. That goes here. This goes here. This goes here. So now we shouldn't see that sprite. What I might do is change the All right, sorry. Let's see. That doesn't seem to be working. Oh, maybe I didn't say false. If discover panel is, then we're going to say true. If not, we're going to say false. Let's see. Is discovered as false. Come on, this is taking way too long. Oh, I don't have all the UI manager. I need all those. So we need to get 1, 2, and 3. Now this should be working. Okay, now let's do a little animation. So right here, let's set to true. Let's click projects. Okay, we need to go Windows, animations. Let's drag that down here. Let's create animation. Go to assets, animations. We'll call it discover, or let's call it the all creatures. All creatures pop in. All right. So let's record. So right here, we're going to make this, kind of do shift. Here, let me do like this. Okay, but then this, we're going to make small as can be. So it goes, woo. And then we do a slow to here. So let's play it. All right, cool. Let's stop that. Let's go to the animation and make sure we're not looping it. Let's turn this off. Let's play it, see how it looks. Was that just laggy or try that again? Okay, let's try this animation thing again, where it reverses it. Okay, save project. Let's go to Windows Animation Animator. All right, let's do a new empty one. And we're going to make this the default. And we're going to make a transition to here. Let's add a parameter, a trigger. Trigger. Just whatever, new trigger. And then we're going to duplicate. Copy. Paste. Then we're going to make a transition to here. and make a transition to here. So this will transition if we have a trigger. Cannot preview transition source state does not have motion. Oh, I gotta go here and pick. Wait, this one. This is gonna be -1. This is triggered. Cannot preview. Okay, fine. Has exit time? No. Has exit time? No. This does. Fixed duration. Alright, so let's go to when I click the button here, this discovery one. Let's add a new thing. Let's add this here, and then go to animator, set trigger string, and here we can say new trigger. And let's test it out, see if we can get a reverse going. So click discover, comes in. Nope. Discover. Alright, this. I didn't add the condition. New trigger. So every time we trigger it, it'll go to the next one. So click, click, nope, click. Let's just see if I just delete this for a sec so it gets stuck in that one. Come on. This is being triggered. Here, let me see if I can see if this gets activated. Yeah. So if I click it, you know what it is this thing right here. It's deactivating before it finishes the thing. So let's get rid of this. Maybe we can add that to our button. I doubt it. Okay, it's still not doing it. Oh my gosh, come on. Click it. Click, it goes here. But I don't see it going to this one. Why not? Goes here. This is all creatures pop in. Maybe I forgot to save it. There we go. Okay. Alright, so the problem is when it gets to this new state, this thing is large. Let me go to my scale. And let's make it to where we can't even see it. Okay, that seems to work. That's kind of cool. All right, that is cool. Yeah, that's what we want. Very good. All right, we got that kind of neat little animation there. Which means in my let's see. Fence. The floor. Let's just see it for a sec. So what I want to do is do kind of the same thing. Go to our click floor and get rid of this. All right. And then, so this will automatically show. Let me go to the floor menu pop-up. So let's do record. What I want to do is actually, yeah, that's fine. This comes up, and then, all right, let's do this. Let's turn that off for a sec. Let's go to animator for the floor. Wait, how come, where is it? Here, let me close it. Windows, animation, animator. Okay, there we go. So we're going to do kind of the same thing. Create an empty one. Make this the default. Then move, make a transition here, make a transition here, and then make a transition here. This is going to be set by that trigger. And then this one will also be set by that trigger. That's -1. That's a 1. This does not have an exit time. Let's just say 0. And then same thing here. 0. And it does have an exit time. Okay, here. Actually, I think we want to do 0 for that as well. So it goes here, goes back. And we're not making it invisible. So what I need to do is in my creature panel, I wonder if I do this. If I set it to not true, and then 1 second layer, wait, set this to true. Okay, I guess that don't matter. Let's go to the scene. And I don't want creature panel. What do I do? I don't want that. Shoot. I want the floor panel. Yeah, let's just see this real quick. If I can. Hold on. Let me let me move this down. So it's below. So let me play. See what happens. So click here. Whoops. Click the floor. Oh, yeah, floor. Let's try that again. So in the new state, we don't have any motion. Then we go here. Let's go to our project. Sorry. Come on. Floors. Floor panel. Let's animate. And what we want is for this to come right here. Hold on. And then keep this below. So we pop it. All right, let's see if that does it. All right, I think I'll probably take a little bit of a break after I just do this really quick. Floor. Come on. Oh, I think I need to do that trigger. Change that to animator. Set trigger by string. And we'll say is active. Let's see if that's the right one. Okay. Now when we click this button or this button, we want to add. We're going to add the floor panel. And we're going to say animator set a trigger. And we're going to say is active. So let's see if we get the reverse now. Cool. All right. So we got a little animations with those things. We definitely need to get the we'll probably do like some kind of see look. All right. All right. So I'm going to take a break here. Thanks for watching. Maybe I'll be programming for another 3 or 4 hours. All right. Bye.